channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make the best Italian salad. Before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. And now let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The first ingredient you will need is lettuce. I have about 3 cups of lettuce, or like one romaine lettuce. That would be perfect. Next thing we will need is tomatoes. I already have the seed out. I'll chop them. Another ingredient we will need is the green bell pepper. Make sure you guys like this video. Leave a comment below. I would love to read your feedback. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you part of my family. The next ingredients we will need, I have them already chopped in here. I have hard salami, 1 cup. I have 1 cup of ham. I have pepperoni, 1 cup as well, and ½ cup of provolone cheese. And right here I have 2 different kind of olives. I have green olives and kalamata. Each one is ½ cup. And the last thing we have right here is Italian dressing. Mine is from the store that I bought. I don't have my homemade ready, so if you guys want to check it, I will leave it in the description box for you to check it. I promise you guys will love it. Also, this salad, you can make it ahead of time. Just make sure you don't mix the ingredients with the dressing. And now let's mix it together. Alright guys, now let's give it a try. Let's get a little bit of each one. It's so good, so delicious. All these together make this salad fantastic. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!